Hello everyone, welcome to Caddnest. In this today topic is culling. So what is culling? First take a simple example. First I will take simple box. Take visual style shaded with edges. Again take a simple pyramid like this and go to culling. First you can see select box, you can see it shows also hidden lines, like shows hidden lines also will be showing this box and this pyramid. Go to culling and select pyramid and box. You can see the no hidden lines will be shows. So this is the process of culling. You can see without culling, without select a culling, the hidden lines will be show in pyramid also, in box also. Selecting culling, you can see the middle lines are not visible. So this is the culling process. Thank you for everyone watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our Caddnest YouTube channel. So it is the completion of Autocad. Thank you for everyone.